Hey Park Hill community, this is Dr. Mike Kimbrel, the superintendent in the Park Hill School District, coming to you with another edition of Mike's Minute. I'm coming to you today from the Russell Jones Education Center, where you've probably seen several signs like the one right behind me about our projects that are coming up. We want to again thank the community for supporting these large bond projects that we are just starting to get the designs in on. The building behind me is going to have a renovation, addition, and other flex spaces added to help our students. We also have elementary number 12, which is going to be built in the southwest corner of our school district down by Creekside. Finally, you're going to see our high school renovation projects. You'll see new gyms, new weight rooms, new fine arts facilities, and classroom upgrades throughout the buildings. We look forward to showing you all of this progress over the upcoming months and into the near future. This has been another edition of Mike's Minute. We'll see you soon.